I'm Mithun Das. As an assistant professor of political science, I want to discuss something which is related to my subject. And today I'm going to discuss about Panchayati Raj system. The term Panchayati Raj in India signifies the system of rural local self-government. It has been established in all the states of India by the act of state legislature to build democracy at the grassroots level. It is entrusted with rural development. It was constitutionalized through the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. I'm coming to the evolution of Panchayat Raj. Panchayati Raj. We need to know about the about different committees. First, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. In January 1957, the government of India appointed a committee to examine the working of the community development program and the national extension service and to suggest measures for their better working. The chairman of this committee was Balwant Rai Ji Mehta. The committee submitted its report in November 1957 and recommended the establishment of the scheme of democratic decentralization, which ultimately came to be known as Panchayati Raj. The specific recommendations made by it are: first, establishment of tier Panchayati Raj system, Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and Jila Parishad at the district level. Second point is the village panchayat should be constituted with directly elected representatives, whereas, whereas the panchayat samiti and jila parishad should be constituted with indirectly elected members. Third point is all planning and development activities should be entrusted to these bodies. Fourth point is the Panchayat Samiti should be the executive body, while Jila Parishad should be the advisory, coordinating and supervisory body. Fifth point is the district collector should be the chairman of Jila Parishad. And there are some important points. And one important thing I should mention here that Rajasthan was the first state to establish Panchayati Raj. The scheme was inaugurated by the Prime Minister on October 2nd, 1959 in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. And Rajasthan was followed by Andhra Pradesh, which also adopted the system in 1959. Now coming to another important committee. In December 1900, namely Ashok Mehta Committee. In December 1977, the Janata government appointed a committee on Panchayati Raj institution under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta. It submitted its report on August 1978 and made 132 recommendations to revive and strengthen the declining Panchayati Raj system in the country. The main recommendations are: first, the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj should be replaced by two-tier system, that is Jila Parishad at the district level and below it the Mandal Panchayat, consisting of a group of villages with total population 15,000 to 20,000. Second point is a district should be first point of decentralization under popular supervision below the state level. Third point is Jila Parishad should be the executive body and made responsible for planning at the district level. The Panchayati Raj institution should have compulsory power of taxation to mobilize their own financial resources. State Another point is seats for SCs and STs should be reserved on the basis of their population. And there are many points. I'm not going in detail. Apart from these two committees, there are some another important committees also there. GVK Rao Committee, LM Singhvi Committee. Okay. Now coming to the importance of 73rd Amendment Act 1992. Significance of this act. This act has added a new part 9 to the Constitution of India. It is entitled as Panchayat as the Panchayats and consist of provisions from Article 243 to 243O. In addition, the Act has also added in a new 11th schedule to the Constitution. This schedule contains 29 functional items of the Panchayat. It deals with Article 243Z. The following 29 functional items placed within the purview of panchayats. These are: first, agriculture, including agricultural extension; second, land improvement, implementation of land reforms, land consolidation, and solid conservation; third, animal husbandry, and fourth, fisheries; fifth, social welfare, social forestry and farm forestry. And there are many points, like many important functional items. These are rural housing, drinking water, fuel and fodder, road, bridge, okay, and waterways, etc. And other means of communication, libraries, cultural activities, market and fairs, family welfare, women and child development, public distribution system, and many more. Total 29 functional items as discussed here. Now coming to the silent features. The silent features of this act are: first, Gram Shobha. The act provides for a Gram Shobha as a foundation of the Panchayati Raj system. It is a body consisting of persons registered in the electoral rolls of village, comprises within the area of panchayat at the village level. Thus, it is a village assembly consisting of all registered voters in the area of a panchayat. Three-tier system. The Act provides for a three-tier system of panchayat raj in every state, that is, panchayat at the village level, intermediate and district level. A reservation of seats. The Act provides for the reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in every panchayat in proportion of their population to the total population in the panchayat area. Further, the state legislature shall provide for the reservation of offices of chairperson in the panchayat at the village or any other level for the SCs and STs. The Act provides for the reservation of not less than one third of the total number of seats for women, including including the numbers of seats reserved for women the SCs belonging the SCs and STs. Now coming to the duration of panchayats. The Act provides for 5-year term of the office of panchayat at every level. However, it can be dissolved before the completion of its term. Apart from this, there are another features are there, like disqualification, state election commission, power and functions, finances, and many more. This is all about panchayat system. Thank you. Thank you so much.